Welcome to This Ready to Craft. In this video, I will show you how to create this fingerprint tree art using Readi-Board foam board. To begin, I've cut my board in half and glued the two halves together. I'm going to measure and mark the center points of my board. Then, getting some black acrylic paint, I'm going to begin painting my tree trunk. I'm using a round brush. I'll start on my branches using a light stroke and then pressing more heavily as I move towards the trunk. I'm not doing these in any particular order. Allow that to dry. I'm going to erase my center lines. Then get my green paint ready. Make sure that the paint that you're using is non-toxic and safe to handle. Dab your fingers into the paint and then press lightly into the foam board to create your leaves. I'm using 2 shades of green, but you can use as many as you would like. Allow that to dry. I've printed out a reference for my text. I'm going to give myself some guidelines to keep my writing straight. I'll lightly mark my letters to use as a guide. Moving on, I'm going to trace my guides with my permanent marker. Take your time and don't worry if it's not absolutely perfect. I like to give my marker a little bit of time to dry before erasing my pencil marks. I've got a pink ribbon that I'm going to use to cover the edges of my foam board. You could also simply paint them. I'm going to use hot glue and work in sections all the way around. When I reach the end, I'm going to overlap the ribbon a little. Finally, to add a little sparkle, I'm going to use a few crystal stickers to add to my tree. Then it's ready to hang. The foam board is light enough that you should only need tape to hang it on the wall. If you try this craft out, we'd love to see it. Our social media links can be found in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If there's a foam board craft that you'd like to see a ready to craft of, let us know in the comments.